Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve something went wrong on FIFA mobile, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list of apps, you will search about FIFA mobile and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone to fix your problems on FIFA mobile. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.